What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to be making what I like to call the Sunny Juice, and it's the recipe that I give all my mamas, dads, nanas, grandpa, babysitters, nana, whoever, for the starter juice for kids. So oftentimes I have a lot of people message me asking me, how do I get my kids to juice or drink the juice? They don't like the taste. So this is a great recipe to start with. It's super simple and it's super healthy. So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. You're gonna need 2 slices of pineapple, 1 lemon. You can use 1 to 2 apples with the skin on, and then 3 to 4 jumbo carrots. Often people ask me if they should peel off the skin of carrots. I keep it on if it's organic. If the carrot is not organic, then I will peel the skin off. So these are organic, so I'm gonna keep the skin on. So something that I love to do, especially with Ruby when I'm juicing, is I love to teach her about the foods, the properties of the foods, what they do on our bodies. And it's an incredible way for them not only to learn about it, but also have a really healthy relationship with food. So I always give them a fact in a way that a kid will receive it well. So for instance, with carrots. Carrots we know that are incredible eye health. So I'll say to Ruby, Ruby, carrots are so good for your eyes. If you eat enough of them, you'll have x-ray vision like a superhero or something fun like that. Or even apple. Apples are great for brain health. So I'll say, Ruby, eating lots of apples will make you super, super smart. So just phrasing it in a way where they're learning the facts, but also that it's easy to understand for a kid. What I love about this recipe too, especially during right now, is about to be fall. So we're entering an allergy season. So pineapples are great because they have an enzyme in them called bromelain. And bromelain is an anti-inflammatory enzyme. So it helps with inflammation within the respiratory tract, as well as it actually thins the mucus that you get built up in your lungs from allergies and in your sinuses, and it helps thin it out and expel it out. Another great thing about pineapple is that because of its anti-inflammatory response, it's great for any sort of skin issues. So right now, Ruby has a new scar on her body because she got her port taken out. So I've been giving her tons and tons and tons of pineapple because it'll actually heal scars and helps with skin. And then lemon. Lemon is incredible. What I love about lemon when it comes to kiddos is that it hides taste. So let's say you're doing beets or celery or cucumber or spinach, something that has a very strong taste in a child. You can hide it with any sort of citrus. Lemon is great, grapefruit, orange, and lime. So that's why I love lemon. Some tips that I have to get kids to drink juice is, the first one is involving them in the process, especially toddlers. Toddlers love independent play. They love to be involved. They love to do what mom and dad are doing. So involving them in the juicing, teaching them how to do it, teaching them about the foods as they do it is great. Another thing is, if you are juicing carrots, do not juice carrots with greens when it comes to kids. Because if you juice a carrot, let's say with celery or cucumber or spinach, it will turn the juice brown. And kids do not like brown juice. So don't ever juice it with greens. It's fine for adults. It doesn't taste any differently. It's just the color of it. I find kids are very like, no, I am not drinking that. Something else we do here is we have a specific juicing cup. So we have a special cup that Ruby uses only to drink her juice out. So you can take them to the store, let them pick out a cup, and it'll be their special juicing cup. And they love that. Another tip I have, I kind of talked about it earlier, was the citrus. Using citrus, grapefruits, limes, lemons, all of that. It's really great to make it have a little bit of a sweeter taste that is more appealing to kids. With Ruby, when she went through chemo, she lost all her taste buds. So she only liked super, super salty things, super, super sweet things. She would not touch a vegetable. So what I loved about juicing is I could hide all these vegetables in it and hide it with this sweet, sweet taste. And my last thing is always have some little ritual that you do right before you drink. So for Ruby and I, we do like this very exaggerated cheers, and it's like this celebration that we're about to drink this awesome juice that's incredible for your body. So those are my tips. So lots of people tell me that they feel guilty about all this stuff that they waste, so all this pulp. Just a quick note, you can put this pulp in compost, you can put it directly into your garden bed. It's got lots of nutrients for your fruits and veggies. You can make like a veggie burger out of them. You can do like a popsicle molder, put some of this pulp in it and then put the juice in and make like veggie and fruit popsicles. So there's lots of things you can do. You can just Google recipes and super simple. Okay, y'all, it's taste test time. Super good. This is super, super sweet. So if you don't want it as sweet, take less lemon, more carrot, but it's perfect. It's perfect for Ruby. I know she's gonna drink this. Also, how fun is the color? Like, how fun would this be during Halloween that's coming up? Like, the orange is so much fun. So thanks for juicing with us. Comment below if you tried this recipe and how your kids liked it. Also, any recipes that you use for your kiddos. I would love to hear. And we'll see you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye.